The all-new Honor X7D. 5-star SGS Premium Drop Resistant, 6,500 milliampere per hour. Super large battery. IPS Honor X7D. Extra tough, extra power.
It is KTV powered by World Betting at times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zamalek 1 in the CAF Confederations Cup. Whilst we say that, on the other side, interestingly enough, in the Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates are the league leaders. With all things equal, with them and Sundowns, 12 points, 12 matches played, Orlando Pirates are 3 points ahead. So, makes it a delicious, very interesting title race. We watched an interesting game in Polokwane where Zamalek came out the gates very quickly, scored a goal against Kaizer Chiefs, and then Chiefs had to chase that game. Bobzit, we watched the game together. What do you think of the game, sir?
Yeah. Nguleko itimbulise bhuti
Yes, sir.
everyone in the studio bhuti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When you used to play, which position were you playing?
Mina
Yeah.
bengidlala la phakathi bengidlala as a 6 Nguleko.
You have a physique of a football player.
Bengikwazi ukudlala i8 Nguleko. Yeah.
Unlike Ulindo, you don't think you were a superstar.
My leader phela na uphethu left.
Yeah, he thinks he's the best player that the world has ever seen.
No, ngithanda le confidence anayo.
He's so confident that
Yeah.
we have never seen a player better than Ulindo Buhle Nkosi. He's a starring in his own movie. He was a superstar.
Usho ukuthi ufuna ukutshela ukuthi udansa esipilini.
Yeah.
Bese athi no, mina akekho umuntu odansa ukudlula mina. Mara yena uyambona ukuthi Ulindo udlalile ibhola Nkuleko. Yazi ukuthi ithi ngitshele one thing Nkuleko. Kunabadlali, I'm sorry to say this, abakhonile ukuphumelela badlale elizingeni eliphezulu. But akusho ukuthi bebagudu ukudlula laba abangazange bafike.
Yeah.
Bakhona abadlali abane talent. Bahlulekile ukufika ngezizathu ezithize Nkuleko.
What
So
was
lokho
the highest
ngilwazi.
level you've ever played?
Mina Nkuleko ngicina ukudlala ku ABC bekusase Vodacom Nkuleko. Yeah. So ila ngicina khona ukuthi ngidlale khona ifootball.
But he midfield encangayo lapha.
Hayi bengancinci Nkuleko. Laba bangazi mina ngeke ngizisho Nkuleko.
So now uyafana noLindo.
Umprofit
You're dancing to your own song.
Umprofit Nkuleko sebenzayo akazisho uzwa ngabantu ukuthi bathi.
Bobzit, Zamalek ujahile Chiefs mfethu maqala
Yeah.
game. They came out of the gate pressing Kaizer Chiefs, forced them into mistakes. Ukros wabana injury, Mateko. They even scored 2 goals maybe in the first 10 minutes. You saw ukuthi that's their idea. Ukuthi we pressed them at the beginning. What was your overall thought of the game, sir?
Yeah, speedy recovery Nkuleko kumdlalo ofana no Cross.
Sure.
I think Chiefs kulela side kule game ilahlekelwe ukuhamba kwa Cross because siyamazi ukuthi ukuthi kangakanani especially ngepassing game umdlalo ofana no Cross. So it was a game plan ye Zamalek. Kuyakubonisa Nkuleko ukuthi these guys they know and they understand le tournament abayidlalayo ukuthi yini into abayidingayo because uyabona ukuthi badlala ngamamoment mabaceda ukukora even the second half ibonile badlala the first 5 minutes bafuna ukuthola i-second goal but bahluleka so into ebayenzayo ukuthi badlala ibhola lase North bafuna ukuscora then ba defend and kukaningi ukuthi ba defender kanjani ubonile ukuthi bebafuna ukuthi bangathola i-second goal but bebangabonisi bebangekho aggressive ngalendlela ukuthi they can score and ungazubona i-team efana neZamalek ingabi nama tactics okudelaya kusho kona ukuthi bakudelela Nkuleko
Yeah.
abahloniphanga ngeKaizer Chiefs
Because normally North Africans will waste a lot of time.
yeah so if bebadlala mhlawumbe namanye ama team la eMzansi mhlawumbe afana nabo Pirates Sundowns bekuzoba khona ama delay kulama tactics wabo but now uyabona ukuthi sibe khona leso sikhathi ba delay but not ngalendlela sibajwayela ama North African aboZamalek benza ngakhona so ngiyacabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs beba sure ukuthi if asi win the game sizoyithrow igame eChiefs the way ngibona iZamalek ingakhona because Nkuleko beka the way baqala ngakhona igame yabo njengoba usho bayijaka iChiefs bathola igoli banabadlali abahle kakhulu abadlali aba understand now the way le tournament idlalwa ngakhona Nkuleko beka lo mdlali adlala ngapha ku right winger bambiza uBezera lo mfana lo yaNkuleko uma ungabheka uhluphile iKaizer Chiefs lela winger le Zamalek ka right belinikeza iChiefs iproblem because beba attack ngama wing kakhulu i-team efana neZamalek bese ubheka umdlalo ngapha bambiza uChico Banza lo dlala ngapha ka left I think
The dreadlocks.
yeah lo dark lo Nkuleko basebenzisa ama winger ukattack iKaizer Chiefs le midfield yabo la phakathi bengafuni ukuthi ingazi isihluphi ifuna ukulanda iChiefs direct so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bebayideserve ukuyiwina. Chiefs were lucky kule game ukuthi bayidrawile. And manje after ba-equalizile omunye angacabanga ukuthi Chiefs badlale kahle kakhulu. I-CAF Champions League Nkululeko, yes, ngama results ba-equalizile, it's good ukuthi udlale draw ngoba besemuva bebakuleader 1-0 down. But i-CAF Champions League Nkululeko, you rather draw unga lose Nkululeko away, but you must win ama-game asekhaya. If una 3 games vele ku-group stage sozoyidlala ekhaya, wina lama games awu-3 una 9 points. So if uzodraw i-game yasekhaya, ngiya-understand izamalek ngenye team elisezingeni eliphezulu.
Yeah, unfortunately, they did look superior to Chiefs.
Exactly.
I understand. I'm sure Inhlizio Chiefs would have wanted to win, but you could see like Zamalek is superior. I think nabo basho game plan. Ilento yabo ye North Africa ukuthi we attack in moments because if they played a normal football match where it's 90 minutes, we play, we attack when we have to attack, maybe they would have won this game easily.
Easily Nkululeko. And noma uthi ibheke iKaizer Chiefs inale party ukuthi abekho abadlali abafika benze kahle bahlangane mhlambe babe 2-3-4. Most of the time kuvela lo dlala kahle omunye uthola injury and lento ayibulala iChiefs bheka uSirino alikho lwinga Kaizer Chiefs Nkululeko ngifuna ukuyibeka alikho lwinga elingabeka uGustin Sirino ebenchini kuKaizer Chiefs. The way uGustin Sirino afunctiona ngakhona uma adlala kulela wing uyakwazi ukukhatha in, uyakwazi ukushaya ama-ding pass, uyakwazi ama-decision making yaka Sirino. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ilento bengicabanga ukuthi ama-wing afana nabo Dupree abo Modi uma banikeza le chance kumele bayisebenzise. Bheka last week uma badlala away 2 first substitute bekungama-winger we-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyabuya namhlanje ngaphandle kwakala yaka Cross ngoba ulimele siyabona bayamdonsa futhi uModi badonsa ne-winger laka right which is ubani
uvele by
no Vilakazi.
Yeah, no Vilakazi.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't remember who was on the right for Chiefs.
Yes.
Usirino,
angisho ulimele.
Oh yes,
then bakhipha noModi.
yes.
So yabona ukuthi onke lama sub always ilama winger. Short lama winger akenzi lento i-coach ne-technical team bafuna bayenze because ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngendlela badlala ngakhona kumele bathathe amabhola badlale wide bacross balethe boxini. And uyambona ukuthi angeke umplay uIgwadaro Nkululeko. Iliphi ibhola ocabanga ukuthi uIgwadaro bamsebenzise ngawo because lo muntu makhe ama defender ungakhe. Phela beba defender ba 5 mabangana bhola. Uyabona ukuthi bazele for defend. So iGwadaro bekazodlala kanjani because even if bonga ngamnikeza le bhola ngihlala ngisho ukuthi ama second ball angeke awine because baningi emuva. Uyabona ukuthi izamalek my defender nga5 ingena ball ina 4 la phakathi bashiya umdlalo ofana noJaziri lapha phambili and uhlukubeza uKwinika nomdlalo ofana noMigwele. So mina Nkululeko ngiyacabanga ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ibe nenhlanhla ngifuna ukusho ukuthi batholele 1 point and ubheka ngapha kubo goalkeeper umunye uqala kahle ugcina kabi umunye uqala kabi ugcina kahle uma ungabheka ucoach igoalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs uPeterson lela bhola it was a mistake ukuthi uphuma ugoalkeeper ungafiki uma uphuma u make sure ukuthi ufista lela bhola liyahamba. Okay, uchubekile bheka second half wenza ama save amahle kakhulu angeke ngihlale ngithi angikhulumi lento the way save ngakhona uPeterson le mistake yes it cost iKaizer Chiefs but wabuya wenza ama correction siyambona wenza ama save wenza ama 1v1 ama save umdlalo ufana noPeterson but nangweza ama leg handling is good positioning ucale kahle ekugcineni naye wenza mistake wonke lamagoli ama mistake wabo goalkeeper amabheka wonke because umdlalo ofana no Solomon beyangakori beka cross lela ball so ugoalkeeper wenza mistake handling yamshaya so ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-draw for lama team ngala mistake ayenze ba goalkeeper sidina sesibona badlala leya draw but izamalek njengoba ngisho ngithi uyabona idlala i-draw away kuyo uma iyazi ukuthi my Kaizer Chiefs ibiyela le kumele ba fight ukuthi bawina igame yasekhaya so you don't draw ekhaya if Nkululeko ufuna ukuchubeka ngale CAF Champions League.
Yeah, before I let you go I want to ask you how Chiefs will look at this 1 point because it's bad actually. It's not the worst thing in the world because only 2 matches have been played but you can see that there's a distance between you and the number 2 and the number 1. The problem is that for Zamalek, if they got 6 points, it would have been a difficult situation for Chiefs. But now with this 1 point, does it give them hope? Maybe Melesitlisi score twice, at least we'll still be in the picture.
Ngaphandle udla iZesco bayishaya twice Nkululeko. iZesco mayiza la ekhaya kumele iChiefs ibhithize iZesco. Kumele le team le in le yase Egypt.
Al Masry.
kumele uma ibiya la iChiefs ibheat ingamani idlale draw mhlambe because basazofuna ukudlalana nabo so mangithi ngibheka i-team efana neZamalek I think i-team engathi nayo is strong lama team ase Egypt awu2 yabona ukuthi ngathi yiwo aphezulu kwalama team la amanye because iChiefs ina 1 point so ngiyacabanga ukuthi iChiefs kumele yazi ukuthi le 2 game esele yala ekhaya kumele ukuthi na kanjani ba collect 6 point bangamani bayi draw mhlambe igame e1 away mhlambe neZesco but le yeZesco nale enye kumele ukuthi bayiwine na kanjani la ekhaya so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazoba safe yona le 1 point kuleko equalizer lapha kubaletha mhlawumbe angeke ngithi bangene ngenyawo eli1 la kule group but kubaletha ukuthi at least babe nethemba ukuthi okay if singakwazi ukuthi sizame ukuwina lama game la ekhaya singachubekela phambili.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bobset. We watched Kaizer Chiefs against Zamalek. It was a loss until the last few minutes. A mistake from the goalkeeper where Zamalek failed to just catch the ball. It went inside Dylan Solomons. That probably will be attributed to him. 2 goals in 2 matches. It is good times, also sweating.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Diski TV.